Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G34 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase or decrease brightness level in your phone Moto G34. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to display. Go to settings, then go to display. Then here select brightness level. Before that, you go to turn off adaptive brightness so that you can set brightness level manually. Okay, because adaptive brightness means automatic brightness according to environment, according to the outside conditions, outside of your phone. Okay, outside conditions of your phone. So turn off adaptive brightness and then click on brightness level, and here move the bar to the left side to decrease the brightness level. To increase, move the bar to the right side. Okay, so in this way you can easily adjust or increase or decrease brightness level in your phone Moto G34. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.